Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bybit to TradingView in 2026. After watching this video, you will be able to see Bybit charts and also trade using TradingView. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your TradingView account if you haven't already. Here on this particular page, simply use the search bar on the top. Then among the given tabs, you can click on the option of crypto, or you can keep it here on the all tab, and now you can use the search bar on the top and search for, let's say, Bitcoin. So once you are able to find the Bitcoin USDT pair, simply just hover over to the right next to it and click on the option of launch chart. So this is going to open the crypto chart in front of you, which in my case is Bitcoin. Now click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Then here click on the option of show all brokers. Over here you can either use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen if you are not able to find Bybit here, or you can just simply look for Bybit here in this list. Whichever method suits you the best, simply just double click on the Bybit icon when you see it here. When you see this type of pop-up in front of you, click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you in a new tab, basically on the login page of Bybit. You just have to provide your login credentials like your email address, your password, and follow certain instructions in order to authorize TradingView here on Bybit. Now, as soon as you do this, once the connection is established successfully, you can come back here in your TradingView account and it will be connected successfully. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.